Hey everyone, welcome to Fact Engine. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest corporate mysteries in history, the secret formula of Coca Cola. What makes it so special? Why is it locked away in a vault? And could the real secret be something more than just a recipe? Let's find out. Coca Cola was invented in 1886 by Dr. John Stith Pemberton, a pharmacist from Atlanta. Originally sold as a medicinal tonic, it was advertised to cure ailments like headaches and exhaustion. But what made Coca-Cola so special? It's the formula, of course, a closely guarded mix of ingredients that has remained secret for over a century. Pemberton's original recipe had some unusual ingredients, including coca leaf extract, which contains the active ingredient of cocaine. But don't worry, cocaine was removed by the early 1900s, and the formula was modified. So, from a medicinal syrup sold at soda fountains to the world's most popular soft drink, the formula evolved, but its secrecy only grew. Today, the Coca-Cola formula is stored in a high-security vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, Georgia. The company makes a huge deal out of this, with dramatic displays, secure locks, and plenty of mystery. Only a handful of people in the world supposedly know the full formula, and they're sworn to secrecy. In fact, the story goes that no single person knows the complete recipe. The formula is said to be divided, with different individuals knowing only part of the secret. The vault is more than just a marketing gimmick. It symbolizes Coca-Cola's commitment to protecting its brand. But is it really all about the ingredients, or is there something deeper at play here? So, what's in the secret formula? The official story is that it includes carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, natural flavors, and a mysterious ingredient known as 7X. This 7X is said to be the core of Coca-Cola's unique taste, but nobody knows exactly what it is. There have been several attempts over the years to crack the formula. In 2011, a document surfaced claiming to be the original recipe, but Coca-Cola denied it, insisting that the true formula remains locked away. So, while the ingredients might sound pretty standard, it's the combination and those elusive, natural flavors that keep everyone guessing. But here's the thing. Many experts believe that the real secret of Coca-Cola's success isn't the recipe at all. Let's be real. Coca-Cola's true secret isn't just what's in the bottle, it's their branding. Coca-Cola is more than a drink. It's an experience. Their iconic red logo, their timeless advertisements, and their massive global distribution network have made Coca-Cola one of the most recognizable brands in the world. The secrecy around the formula adds to the mystique, making it more than just a drink. It's a cultural phenomenon. Coca-Cola has brilliantly marketed itself for over 100 years, and the secret formula is part of the allure. It's not just about taste, it's about the brand. So even if the formula were revealed tomorrow, Coca-Cola would still be the same iconic brand we know today. So, will we ever know Coca-Cola's full formula? Maybe, maybe not. What do you think? Is the formula worth all the secrecy, or is it all just brilliant marketing? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating stories. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Fact Engine.